Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is viewers. Button wall decoration. Take a canvas or cardboard, draw a simple design like a tree. Use buttons as leaves, glue them carefully. This will look amazing on your wall. Another idea is button jewelry. You can make earring or bracelet. Just braid buttons with thread or wire. Very easy and colorful. Buttermilk weavers. Take a paper strip, attach a button on top with ribbon. Simple and useful for wedding lovers. You can also decorate jar and box with button. Just apply glue and stick buttons. It's give a creative and handmade look. These crafts are perfect for kids and adults. They impress creative and save money. You can also sell these handmade items. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care. And viewers, Allah Hafiz.